Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 update failed to install error. Message 0xca00a000. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, you'll come back with a command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video here, guys. I want you to copy it. Starts with the letter S and then C. And go ahead and copy that and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit and paste that in. And then once it says success, you want to go ahead and check for updates again and see if that has resolved the issue. Basically, we just set the trusted installer service to start automatically with your computer. That's all we just did with that command. So pretty straightforward process on that. Hopefully, again, that would have resolved the problem. Something else we could try here as well, if you were to close out of here and open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match, you'll come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the Run button. And then I'd recommend following along with any prompts it suggests, and then check for updates once again. Something else we could try here as well, you open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, you'll come back with command prompt, go ahead and right click on it, run as administrator, select yes, and now type in SFC, then a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And hopefully, again, at this point, your issue should have been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.